All right, I got a new strategy for you guys. This is called Fast and Furious. The reason why I call it Fast and Furious is because it's designed to win really, really fast, or obviously you could lose really, really fast. But I like this system. I think it's a pretty cool way to play. I would recommend, you play it. I'm going to play it with 5,000. This is fake prop bet here. This is just for prop bets to show you how to do it at the casino. This is for entertainment purposes only, but I love the way this plays. So I'm going to show you how it's done. All right. What our goal is today is we want to buy some silver, and we want to use the casino's money to buy our silver. Okay. And we're going to go about doing that here for you guys. We got 5,000. Here we go. We're going to start with 200 on the don't. Fast and Furious. Here we go. Okay, we got an 8 point. Okay, we're immediately going to put 200 on that 8. And we're going to put 100 on everything else. Here we go. Okay, we hit a 9. We're going to get 140. We're going to come off of everything except for our 8. And we're going to roll it out. And we hit our 8. We're going to lose this 200, but we're going to win 230. So we actually made another 30. This is coming down. Okay, we're going to put 200 on the don't. Okay, we got a 4. We're going to put 100 on the 4 and 100 on everything else. These will get 120. 7. Okay, we're going to get back 200. We're going to lose 440. This is going to go to 300 here. It's a 10. Okay, we're going to put 150 on the 10. Everything else is going to be at 100. Here we go. 3. 7. 300 back. Going to lose another 350. Okay, we're going to stay at 300. We're going to win 300. We're going to stay at 300. 7, we're going to lose 300. I'll give them 300 back. We're going to stay at 300. 6 is the point. Okay, I'm going to put 300 on my 6. I'm going to put 200 on everything else. Here we go. 8. Okay, I'm going to get 240. I'm going to pull everything down. 3. 10. 4. 8. 6. Going to lose 300, but I'm going to make 3. We'll just take 330. Small little profit. We're going to put 300 back because we're not in profit. 10. Okay, I'm going to put 150 on the 10. I'm going to put 200 on every single number. Hard 4. 400. 7. That's bad. Okay, I'm only going to get back 300. I'm going to lose all this. Definitely not going very well. You can have a lot of times you're going to play this. It's going to go so quick and easy, but this is not. You're going the opposite direction on this game. Okay, let's try it again. We're going to go 3 here. I'm going to go 3 on each number. Here we go. 6. Okay, that's going to be 360. Actually, 350. I'll put back 10. Okay, let's give it one more try. 10. There we go. Okay, that's 600. Okay, I'm actually going to go one more. 10 again. Another 600. Okay, I'm going to come down on everything. We're going to just roll this out. 12, 6, 6, 8. Going to lose 300, but I'm going to make 350. So they basically owe me 50. All right, now I think it's been pretty bad. But even though I think it's been pretty bad, let me show you how powerful this thing is, okay? Let me show you how powerful this thing is. Okay? As bad as that looked, you are up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $1,000, $1,100. You're up. Fast and furious, baby. And it looked like it was horrible, right? All right, let's carry on. Let's move on. Because watch what happens when it goes good. That was actually bad. Okay, we're going to go 200. 6 is the point. Okay, we're going to go 2 here. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. 9, 140. I'm going to have to use the white chips, guys, because they don't have much money here. So I'm going to use that as 100, okay? So we got 150. We'll give them 10. Okay, put this in our rack. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and remove this. Notice that I've been doing this when I have 6 and 8 points, okay? It's very similar to the God strategy. It's just we're playing fast and furious. We're playing more aggressively. Okay, there's a 3, 5, 5, 8, 3, 9, 7. Break even. Okay, here we go. 9. Okay, we're going to go 200 on the 9, 100 on each number. 5, that's 140. 150, give them 10. Okay, I'm going to go for another hit. Here we go. 9. Okay, I win money there. Okay, I win. I lose 200. I win 280. So I get another $80. I'm going to take a white and give them 20. So I just made $80 hitting my don't. Okay, I'm going to bring everything down. Okay, go 200 here. 10. We should do good here as long as we don't throw an early 7. Okay, we're going to put 100 on the 10, 100 on every other number. Here we go. 4, that's 200. 200. Do it again. 7. See, that sucks. That sucks. We're going to get 2 back. Going to end up losing 400 there. So we ended up only losing, we lost 200. We'll just go up 1. 7, we're going to lose this 300. Now, on this system, I don't go past that 300. I go bigger here. Okay, 11, see, that's the reason why. Okay, that is the reason why. Don't pass can kill you. 8 is the point, bad point, unfortunately. So I don't expect to make all of it back right now. 3, going 2 on each one of these. I go more aggressive when I got killed on those 7s. 9, that's 280. 300 for 20. Go again. 2, 11, 9, another 280. Give them 20. Okay, let's go for one more. 10, there we go. 400. That'll do it for me. We'll block out that 8. Here we go. 7, gonna break even here. We lose here, we win here. Bring it back down to 2. Here we go. 7, we're gonna lose 2. We'll leave it at 2. 5 is the point. Okay, I'm gonna put 200 here. I'm gonna go 200 on each one. I want to get back that 200 that we just lost on that come out. Here we go. Hard 4. Matter of fact, I'm going to double what I lost. I get 400 there, one hit. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and keep everything. Actually, I'm going to reduce everything to 1 except for the 5. 2. 10, there we go. That's another 200. Okay, I'm gonna go for one more hit. 8. Okay, that's gonna be 140. We'll just take 125. And we will go ahead and bring these down. And we're just gonna roll this out, see what happens. There's a 4. Hard 10, 4, 6, 5. Okay, we wanted the 5. The 5 is good. We lose 200, but we get 280. We get 280, so we'll take 100 and we'll give them 20. Okay? All right, that's going to allow us to cash out. So we made $80 more on that 5. Okay. So let's see how much the total was that we had on Fast and Furious, okay? So here's 5,000. Okay, remember the white are hundreds, okay? We've got 225. We'll just call it 200. We'll give that to the dealer. Okay, we got 200 in green, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Fast and Furious, baby. Scared money don't make money. Give me a like. Hit that subscribe button. I'm out.